Hey everybody, welcome to Problem Solved, where I solve your math problems. Today we're going to do a word problem, substitutions. And if you like it, like and subscribe. And if you really like it, you can hire me as your tutor. And just email me. The information is in the information about the channel. So be sure to inform me if you would like me to act as a tutor. And stay tuned for Problem Solved. All right, everybody, let's remember our PSA. That stands for Public Service Announcement. But in this case, it is our problem-solving algorithm. And what's our problem-solving algorithm? Very simple. Grasp. You want to solve a problem? Use the grasp method, and you will grasp it. So what does the G stand for? Given. All right, let's look at this problem. The combined cost of 1 kilogram of corn. Oh, wait. Let's actually underline it as we read it. We're going to speed it up that way. The combined cost of, I'm given this, 1 kilogram of corn. And 1 kilogram of beans is $10. I buy 5 kilograms of corn and 3 kilograms of beans, and the total cost is $38. Okay. How much does it cost to buy 1 kilogram of corn and 1 kilogram of beans? You'll know I'm not underlining these. This is the required. This is what I'm asked to answer. But let's see what we're given first. Given. We are given 1 kilogram corn, which I'm going to call C, plus 1 kilogram beans, which I'm going to very originally call B, equals $10. Now, I'm going to create a formula. I'm going to go, look at this, I bought 5 kilograms of corn, so I'm going to call that 5C, plus 3 kilograms of beans, so 3B equals 38. And just to write this so it's nice and clean like this, I'm going to rewrite this, and I'm going to go C plus B equals 10. Are you with me so far? Do you see what I did here? Look at what I did here. Okay, now we're going to move on to the R. R, matey, what be this? The R stands for required. What are we required? What are we required to do? Well, let's see. I'm going to say we are required which is the value C, so the cost of 1 kilogram of corn, which is the value C, and cost of 1 kilogram of beans, and that's your value B. See? So this is again what we call a variable. What does B represent? The cost of beans. What does C represent? The cost of corn. So we need to find our B and our C. Now I wonder what the A stands for. A is analysis. And this is where I show you how I'm going to solve the problem. How am I going to solve the problem? Very simple. I'm going to go like this. Okay? Check it out. How am I going to solve the problem? I'm going to solve the problem with a little method called substitution. How am I going to substitute? Well, here's the dealio. I don't know what 5c plus 3b is. But if I could replace that b with a c, and I only had c's in this formula, then I could do it. So what do I need to do? I need to state b in terms of c, which is a little bit weird. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's do a little analysis. C plus b equals 10. Therefore, what is b equal to? B equals 10 minus c. What did I do? I moved that over to the other side, okay? And when you move something from one side of the equation to the other, you have to change the sign, okay? And think about it, right? If I say, for example, c plus b equals 10, well then if I move that b over to the other side, c would be equal to 10 minus b, right? Whatever the difference is there. So now I've got my substitution, okay? And I'm going to set up my next formula. And I'm going to say, oh wait, I haven't quite got my solution in place yet. I'm going to substitute, okay? So substitute this b is equal to 10 minus c. So substitute, and I'm going to add this to this. So I'm going to go 5c, I know this to be true, plus 3 times b, but I'm not going to have a b in there. I'm going to go 10 minus c equals 38. Now check it out, friends. I only have one kind of variable in here. That means I can solve the problem now. If I can solve the problem, I'm on to the S part of grasp. And what does that mean? It means solution or solve. I'm going to solve this problem, okay? And how's that going to look? I'm going to go 5c plus, and I'm going to simplify this. 3 times 10 is 30. And then 3 times minus c is minus 3c. And all that's equal to 38. Are we there? Are we there yet? Are you kicking the back of my seat? We're almost there. Please stop kicking the back of my seat. Okay, we're going to combine like terms. So I'm going to put my two c's together. 5c minus 3c is 2c. I'm going to move this over to the other side. I'm going to move that 30 over to the other side, and I'm not going to fully solve it. I'm just going to go 2c is equal to 38 minus 30, right? 2c is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2. C equals 4. And let's come back to this one here. C plus B equals 10. 4 plus B equals 10. Move that 4 to the other side. B equals 10 minus 4. B equals 6. And let's get to my favorite part of this, the P, the paraphrase. This is just a statement. Corn costs $4 per kilogram. Beans cost $6. And that, as they say in the math game, is that.